I'm cooking this rack of ribs, and I'm just making up the dry rub that I'm gonna use to cook it with. For the dry rub, I'm gonna do some brown sugar, which is really gonna give us a great crust and it'll crystallize. Some black pepper, I'm gonna use some garlic salt, and maybe a little bit of garlic powder, and just add that into the dry rub. Now I'm just gonna take the seasoning and put it right on, and we'll rub it in. We'll put the grill on low and lay this on the top rack. We wanna cook this as slow as we can. I'm gonna let it go as long as I have time before we need to serve it. So I have the grill, all the burners turned to low, and it's on the top. I have about an internal temperature of 120 in here. You can see this is getting cooked pretty good. It's not burning underneath. At this point, I just have 2 burners on low, and again, low and slow. I'm gonna keep this going a little bit longer. I'll check the internal temperature here, and I'm aiming for between 150, 200, something like that, or it'll be fully cooked. Since this is pork, I'm not aiming for a medium rare or anything. I want this to be well done. And we're looking pretty good. It's not going crazy over, so we shouldn't be too dry. Getting about 200 degrees there, so I'll just keep this rolling for a little bit longer. I'll do one final check on the ribs here. And it's cooled down a little bit since I've brought the temperature itself down. But we're still right around that 200 degrees Fahrenheit mark, which should be pretty good. We'll take the ribs off. And I'm gonna set them onto this foil and cover them and let them rest.